Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make my homemade citronella oil. So I got this from my garden, fresh citronella plant. Since it's very difficult for me to find citronella essential oil, so today I'm going to try how to make. So this is just an experiment. So first, I'm going to get the juice of citronella leaves. The citronella is good as mosquito repellent. I will use this essential oil for spray, lotion, and good for diffuser. So I don't know how it looks like, but I will just try to make. Okay, then we're going to wash this. Okay, just be careful not to squeeze so that the juice is intact. And then we're going to be needing mortar and pestle. So this time